Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty subscription box in for October and it is Glossybox. This is Glossybox UK. The cost of the monthly subscription is £13.25 and that includes shipping. Inside you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related, plus we sometimes get the odd freebie as well. To get your first box for £8.50, I do have a code. I'll pop it up on the screen and I'll pop it down below in my description as well. Plus you find Glossybox's advent calendar and any other beauty boxes they've currently got on their website. You'll also find that all down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Now there is a QR code in here. I'll scan it and see if I can get any information up, but I might not be able to. Oh, we've got some really exciting stuff in here. Sometimes when you scan it you might be able to get a sneak peek for next month. No, it just takes me straight to their advent calendar. From the 1st of October onwards, then you'll get all the information through this QR code, and if there is a sneak peek for next month, then I'll pop it down in my comments. So starting off then with Aveeno. This is Calm and Restore for sensitive skins. This is an oat-rich balm for dry to very dry skins. It's unscented, clinically proven to help 5 signs of dry skin: tightness, roughness, irritation, flakiness and scaling, and there's 50 mils here. I know my daughter loves this brand. She loves the oat moisturiser and the body cream as well, but she hasn't got dry skin, so even though I don't have dry skin, I have combination skin, but I'll see what it's like because I do tend to prefer going for more like richer creams in the winter months. The formula with soothing triple oat complex and ceramide soothes and hydrates skin for 24 hours and deeply moisturises to help strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. There, I've put too much on as always. If you've got really dry skin, then this is going to feel amazing on your skin and it should absorb really nicely. But you can see it's kind of sitting on my skin. Richer creams like this can take a while to settle into your skin, but I think for me, this is probably going to be more like a nighttime cream, only because it looks like I've got like Sudocreme on my hand. So I think that would annoy me if I was wearing it during the day and I wanted to put my makeup on straight away. And yeah, it's a very rich cream and I think it's more suitable for me, maybe a nighttime cream or like a mask even. Then we've got Percy and Reed. This is for your hair. This is a turn up the volume volumizing dry shampoo and there's 50 mils here. It's a nice dry shampoo. I've received it many times in different beauty boxes. Handy little size, keep in your bag. Or well, do you keep dry shampoos in the bag? I always say this. In my bag I've got like lip balms and things like that. Not dry shampoo really. Quick fix to refresh and revive hair in between washes. Cleanses without chalky white residue. Boosts root volume and adds texture. Infused with a fine fragrance. What is the fragrance actually? Let's spray it. Ah, there. Ooh, that's shot right across the room. Yeah, it is nice. It is nice. Then we've got a liquid eyeliner. This is by Bang Beauty. Yeah, and it is liquid eyeliner. Okay. Let's see how pigmented. Oh, it looks it, doesn't it? Yeah, let's make a right old mess of my hands. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Really, really pigmented. I'll never be disappointed with a black liquid eyeliner because I always wear them. So there's that. Then we've got what I thought was Charlotte Tilbury. It's not though. This is by Bubble Tea and this is a glow body serum. There's 60 mils here. Shake well before use, lightly apply to clean dry skin, wash hands after use. There. Oh, how much have I put on? Woo. There. Put it on my arms. I won't wipe away anything off my arms. Just wipe my hands. Right, let's see. You're seeing before me. Can you see any glow? It looks like it does. It feels nice. It's got a really unique fragrance. I recognise it. I want to say Mugler. Alien? No, do not get this box thinking you're going to get a body serum of that perfume because it's your favourite perfume. It reminds me of a perfume from years ago. It's not horrible, it's nice. Yeah, it feels alright on my skin. It's not really glowy, or it's very subtly, I suppose. Yeah, I can see it now. Very subtle glitter. I don't know if you might be able to see that. So nice to put maybe on your shoulders, on your legs if you're going out, special occasions, things like that. Unless you just fancy having glowy skin. Whatever. And then lastly, we've got a headband. This is a Brushworks cloud headband. Absorbent. Why would it be absorbent? I suppose. I don't know. It's absorbent anyway. Comfortable. One size fits most. So yeah. I've already got one of these, so I'll give this one to my daughter. They're really cute, although I do like the black one. But they're bit too big as a normal headband, isn't it? I think a great product to put in a subscription box. It's always something handy. I tend to wear them if I'm doing face masks. When I do my makeup and stuff, I just tie my hair out my face. I can't stand having hair hanging down. You know, sometimes you see people apply makeup on TikTok or whatever, and they've got their hair just hanging here, and then they're applying their foundation, moving their hair out the way. Oh, I can't stand that. And it's not them. It's just, oh, I have to get my hair scraped right off my face so that, yeah, so I've got no flappy hair in the way. But yeah, we got a headband anyway. So those are all the products inside the October glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Calm and Restore Oat Rich Balm. It's a cream by Aveeno. We've got a black liquid eyeliner by Bang Beauty. We've got a Bubble Tea Glow Body Serum. We've got Percy and Reed's Dry Shampoo. And lastly, a Cloud Headband by Brushworks. Although I've had some of these products before in different beauty boxes, I do think it's a really nice one this month. I like the fact that it's jam-packed. I don't like it when we have little teeny samples and they're like flapping around. I like it when we get a box that feels like it's full. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this box? Are you a Glossybox subscriber? Are you excited to receive it? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I subscribe? I'd love to know. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.